Hello students, welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Lane by Sri Chaitanya. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss some amazing tricks in organic chemistry. And before going for these tricks, we will just see the formality. The Infinity Lane is offering score online examination. India's largest scholarship examination. Why it is India's largest scholarship examination? Because we are offering you scholarship worth of 1 crore rupees, and also it is study setup and laptop will be assigned to you, and educational allowance according to your performance in the score examination, and up to 100% scholarship. And these many amazing things you can enjoy. You may be related to Infinity Learn and you may not be a student of Infinity Learn, but you can enroll and you can write the examination, the score examination at your home. It is purely online examination and link is given in the description box. You can write this score examination to avail all these features. And also the Diwali gift, post Diwali gift, you can say NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, which contain 27 AITS examinations and 20 full syllabus mock test and 25 topic wise FAQs are available, and 3 physics, chemistry, biology books along with video solutions on the app. And you can also see performance reports, and your performance and assessments are benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students, and everything is available for 5,999. But Infinity Learn is giving you a Diwali offer 50% slash. Just you can enter the coupon code YouTube 50 off, तभी आपको मिलेगा 2,999 50% slash. Description box, the link is available, and you can just enroll this and purchase this NEET 2025 to streamline your NEET preparation and boost your rank. And today topic of interest is organic conversions. So what is the significance of these organic conversions? You are preparing organic chemistry, and how far your confidence with organic chemistry can be simply assessed based on this, how confident you are in organic conversions. In these organic conversions, you have various types, like a conversion where the same number of carbon atoms are maintained, the conversion where the increase in the number of carbon atoms are seen, ascending conversions, a conversion where decrease in the number of carbon atoms are seen, descending conversions. Of course, there is a Grignard reagent, there is a benzene diazonium chloride, so many things are coming in the organic chemistry. So for this organic conversions, definitely you can expect 2 questions from NEET examination. Get ready, we will be discussing about these conversions in a rapid fire manner. So let's talk about this conversion of propane to propan-1-ol. So what is this propene? So this is CH2 CH double bond and CH2. It is a propene. You want to convert this into CH3 and CH2 and CH2OH. This is propan-1-ol. In this conversion, you can add a water molecule anti-Markovnikov of addition. For that, hydroboration and oxidation is required. So that reagent is going to be He3 and THF and H2O2 in alkali. So that this is called hydroboration and oxidation reaction gives this conversion. Like this, mind it, any conversion, any reagent, stick to the NCERT and you can go ahead with that. And convert propan-1-ol to propene. So this reaction is reversed here. So this is addition of water molecule against to the Markovnikov rule. Here you have to do the reverse. Simply remove the water molecule, so that CH3, CH2 and CH2OH, and if you want to remove the water molecule, you are going to get CH3 CH double bond CH2. How do you remove water molecule? Yes, simply water molecule is removed by using concentrated H2SO4 and you heat it. Acid catalyzed dehydration takes place. And also one more conversion, but1 to iodobutane. So but1. So let's see, this is your but1. This is but1. In this but1, I just want to go for the iodobutane. So for that iodobutane, direct iodination is not possible. So that I just want to go with bromination. In anti-Markovnikov of addition, HBr simply with peroxide. So when it is go with simply peroxide effect can be seen, so that 1 bromobutane is formed. In 1 bromobutane, you can go with the halogen exchange reaction, Finkelstein reaction by using sodium iodide in acetone. You are going to get 1 iodobutane. You see, any reagent that I am using in this particular conversions, I am using those reagents present in the NCERT textbook, and you can cross check any question or any conversion that is there in the previous NEET examination as well. You can see only the reactions and reagents present in the NCERT, and you have to prefer that methodology. And 1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane. So the bromine position you can't change it. First you remove and you add it. So 1 bromopropane, this is your 1 bromopropane. Remove the bromine. So dehydrohalogenation is required. Potassium hydroxide, simply heated in the presence of alcoholic, so that you are going to get propene. This propene, now you can add bromine, HBr, Markovnikov addition, you are going to get 2 bromopropane. So 1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane is direct conversion. And you can also see toluene to benzoyl alcohol. What is toluene? So methylbenzene is a toluene. So this toluene can be halogenated in the presence of chlorine, in the presence of light. If you use a Lewis acid, the chlorine is going to be attacked here, but in the presence of light it behaves like an alkane, so benzyl chloride is formed. This benzyl chloride on solvolysis, you can go with KOH and aqueous. At room temperature you are going to get a benzoyl alcohol. So toluene to benzyl alcohol can be easily converted. See, the conversion is such a beautiful and amazing things in organic chemistry. You can play with that. Okay. So maintain the reactions and the reagents in your database so that you can do it. And moving ahead, benzene to 4-bromo-nitrobenzene. So direct to influence of the benzene is important here. So benzene, so first brominate it and FeBr3, you are going to get a bromobenzene. There are two methods I just want to involve. So bromobenzene, then you want to go for the nitration. You want to go with HNO3 and H2SO4. On nitration, bromine is being weak positive mesomeric effect. It is ortho and para director. So that I would get the product like this. So bromine and a nitro and a bromine and a nitro, you got it. So what I am expecting is 4-bromo nitrobenzene. So I got as a major product. Got it? If you want to go with first nitration, then you are going to get it a meta position. So that is not actually the product what we expected. So first bromination, then followed by nitration. If you do with the nitration followed by bromination, you are going to get a meta product. Mind it. And one more, ethanol to propane nitrile. So ethanol, so CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol, you want to go with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, so that ethanol is converted into ethyl chloride. This ethyl chloride undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction in the presence of potassium cyanide in the presence of alcohol. You are going to get ethyl cyanide or propane nitrile. So all the reactions you can see grade 12 and haloalkanes and haloarenes. If you use AgCN, you are going to get an isocyanate. And convert ethyl chloride to propanoic acid, same way, CH2OH. So 2 carbons are there, 3 carbons are there. You have to increase the number of carbon atoms, so that you can simply use the previous method like SOCl2, CH3, CH2 chlorine, thionyl chloride is added, potassium cyanide, propane nitrile is formed, CH3, CH2, Cn, and it is further hydrolyzed. So any cyanide on hydrolysis gives rise its corresponding carboxylic acid, CH3, CH2 and COOH. It is a propanoic acid. So cyanide on hydrolysis, it is going to give its corresponding carboxylic acids. So cyanide addition, cyanide substitutions can be used to increase the number of carbon atoms. Mind, it is a key noteworthy point in these conversions. Children, you can see convert 2-chloropropane to propane-1-ol. How it is? 2-chloropropane. So this is 2-chloropropane. First, I want to remove the chlorine. How do I remove the chlorine? Potassium hydroxide alcohol, simply heat it, dehydrohallucination takes place, so that you are going to get propene, and this propene you just want to go with hydroboration and oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation means you can use BH3 in the presence of THF and H2O2 in alkaline media. You are going to get an hydroxy group. So hydration, antimarconic of addition of water molecule to alkene by this hydroboration and oxidation. So propan-1-ol is formed. So like that, every question you can do it with a lot of confidence and convert ethanol to ethyl fluoride. Ethyl iodide, we gone with the Finkelstein reaction. Here you go with an halogen exchange, Schwarz reaction. So ethanol, so this is your ethanol, CH3, CH2OH, and when it is treated with SOCl2, thionyl chloride is the best method for preparation of alkyl chlorides from alcohols. So that you are going to see CH3, CH2Cl, and in the presence of AgF, halogen exchange reaction, so you will be getting ethyl fluoride. So this reaction is called a Schwarz reaction. This reaction is called a Schwarz reaction. And ethyl magnesium chloride to propan-1-ol, it's a carbonyl reaction preparation, and ethyl magnesium chloride. So propan-1-ol, propan-1-ol is a primary alcohol. So CH3, CH2, MgBr or MgCl, ethyl magnesium chloride. So Grignard reagent is an excellent nucleophile. It reacts with formaldehyde. When it reacts with formaldehyde, it undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. Therefore, it will be getting CH3 and CH2 and CH2O MgCl. So it is further hydrolyzed to gives rise propan-1-ol, CH3, CH2 and CH2OH. Here a noteworthy point, when Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, it further hydrolyzed gives rise primary alcohol. If Grignard reagent react with any aldehyde other than formaldehyde, on hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol. When Grignard reagent react with a ketone, further hydrolysis gives rise a tertiary alcohol. So these are the three major noteworthy points you need to know, and this is the one among that. So by looking at the product, you can say what could be the aldehyde can be used for this. And 3-methyl-aniline to 2-nitrotoluene. 3-methyl-aniline. First of all, if that structures are given, 3-methyl-aniline. So this is methyl group and this is aniline, and 3-nitrotoluene. So 3-nitrotoluene. So how do we convert this directly into this? So you have so many methods. You can have this 3-methyl-aniline. I just want to go with diazotization, NH2 and CH3, and further it is NaNO2 and HCl, and 0 to 5 degrees centigrade you are going to get benzene diazonium chloride as it is. and this benzene diazonium chloride is treated with HBF4, so that diazonium borofluoride is formed. This reaction is there in the NCERT, you can see directly. Now this N2BF4, when it is treated with NaNO2, nitro group is going to replace here. You are going to get a nitro group over here. It is pretty simple. So that is 3-nitro-toluene is formed. You don't feel this is so complicated. You just see in the fragment, it is there in the NCERT. It is there in the NCERT. It is there in the NCERT. That is, you have to compile when you execute it. Fine. So you all see this kind of reactions, and you just simply get in a NEET examination NCERT based questions like X, Y, Z combination of options will be given. It all depends how the question can come in the NEET examination. So in the NEET examination, you just see, follow our classes and not even single question miss from our YouTube sessions. Mind it, it could be at any sessions, right? Convert nitrobenzene to benzoic acid. Nitrobenzene, this is your nitrobenzene, and I just want to remove this nitro group by SN HCl, and aniline is formed. So aniline is undergoing with diazotization. You are going to get a simple diazonium chloride is formed, and this simple diazonium chloride, if you add CuCN, Sandmeyer reaction, so that cyanobenzene is formed, benzene carbonitrile, further hydrolysis, H3O plus gives rise COOH, and this is your benzoic acid is formed. Every reaction you can check it from the NCERT. It is there, but the sequence we have to weave it. And also butanone to butan 2-ol. What is this butanone? This is a ketone. When the ketones are reduced to gives rise its corresponding alcohol. So this is your butanone and a butan 2-ol. So I just want to go with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of an acid. And also benzyl alcohol to phenylethanoic acid. It's pretty simple. Phenylethanoic acid structure is ethanoic acid with phenyl group. So benzyl alcohol you can see. So this is your benzyl alcohol. This benzyl alcohol, when it is treated with thionyl chloride, as I mentioned, thionyl chloride is the best reagent to convert the alcohol into alkyl chlorides. So benzyl chloride, you got it. And you can go with the potassium cyanide, substitution nucleophilic reaction. So the cyanide is going to replace the chlorine, CH2CN, and you just see the speed of the reaction, how it is going on. That confidence you need to develop. Whenever any cyanide on hydrolysis gives rise to corresponding carboxylic acid, so this is your 2-phenylethanoic acid or phenylethanoic acid, like that. And 3-nitrobromobenzene to 3-nitrobenzoic acid. So 3-nitrobromobenzene. So this is your 3-nitrobromobenzene to 3-nitrobenzoic acid. So it is looks a little complicated thing. It is not at all complicated thing. You can go with bromine, cannot be replaced with carboxylic acid. Bromine cannot be replaced with carboxylic acid. 3-nitrobromobenzene and 3-nitrobenzoic acid. So first of all, let us take this NO2 and Br, and it is going with reduction SnHCl, so that aniline is formed. And it is undergoing NaNO2, HNO2. It is going to give rise benzene diazonium chloride. It is reacted with Cu CN, you are going to get cyano, bromine, and it is undergoing H3O plus. So you are going to get COOH, bromo. I just want to say it is not nitro-bromo, it is bromo. Okay. So the question is little typo mistake, and this is the conversion where nitro group is converted into diazonium group, and diazonium group Sandmeyer reaction, copper cyanide gives rise cyanide, and this cyanide gives rise carboxylic acid. And moving ahead, cyclohexene to hexane 1,6 dicarboxylic acid. This is your cyclohexene. When it is treated with potassium permanganate in the presence of acid, you are going to get a carbon to carbon double bond is going to be broken, and this is going to be a carboxylic group, and this carboxylic group is going to be like this, and your product is going to be hexane 1,6 dicarboxylic acid. It is there in the NCERT conversions. सारे के सारा आज का जो conversions है ये NCERT का exercises में दिया हुआ, and these conversions are important for NEET examination. Dear children, please make a note of it. Propanone to propene, कैसा करना? Propanone CH3, this is your acetone, and this is your acetone, and subjected for the reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of an acid gives rise CH3 OH and propyl to propanol. And simply go with acid catalyzed hydration, acid catalyzed dehydration. You can go with, not hydration, it is a dehydration. You can use concentrated H2SO4 for this, or anhydrous Al2O3 also can be used, so that you are going to get CH3 CH double bond CH2 propane. You got it. So like this, one more conversion we'll do it. Ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol. How it is? Ethanol, just 2 carbon atoms are there, 2-hydroxybutanol 4 carbons are there. It is a doubling of the carbon, ascending conversion. I would prefer to go for this is an aldol condensation. So I just want to say CH3 CH2OH. If I use a pyridium chlorochromate, I would get CH3 CHO. Ethanol. So take this ethanol CH3 and CHO, and neighboring molecule of ethanol CH3 and CHO, when it is treated with alkali and you simply heat it, aldol condensation takes place. So the water molecule is eliminated. As a result of this, you can say CH3 and CH double bond CH and CHO. So that is 3-hydroxybutanol, and it is subjected for, this is subjected for oxidation. When you talk about PCC, this is going to be oxidized to get, this is going to, this is a beautiful conversion. CH3 CH, CH3 CH double bond CH and CH2 OH. So you got alcoholic functional group simply by using a mild oxidizing agent like pyridium chlorochromate or pyridium dichromate. It is the simplest conversion, but it involves the uses of the PCC and aldol condensation. Looks complicated, but it is very simple. And also benzene to aniline. How do I convert benzene to aniline? Simply take the benzene, go with nitro group, so HNO3 and H2SO4, you are going to get the nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene can be reduced by using SnHCl. So 6 हाइड्रोजन्स इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा, so that aniline is formed. Nitro group is converted into aniline. So first aniline, you directly amino group cannot be added, rather nitro group is added and aniline is converted from here. And also 4-nitrotoluene to 2-bromobenzoic acid. What is this 4-nitrotoluene? This is your 4-nitrotoluene and 2-bromobenzoic acid. This is your 2-bromobenzoic acid. This is 2-bromobenzoic acid. So that first of all, let me talk about the nitro group has to be eliminated. First nitro group has to be eliminated. Let us eliminate nitro group. How do I eliminate nitro group? Simply convert it to reduce SnHCl. You are going to get aniline CH3, right? Now this is NaNO2 and HCl. Diazotization takes place. Diazotization takes place, and this is H3PO2. So you are going to get toluene CH3. Now let us brominate it. Let us brominate it. So that is ortho and a para director. So on bromination FeBr3, you are going to get ortho and para bromo. Let us take ortho as one of the product. These questions are related to direct to influence of the benzene. A para is also formed. So let us isolate this and go with KMnO4, and you are going to see the formation of COOH and bromine. I just want to say 2-bromobenzoic acid is formed. So all these reactions involve reduction and diazotization, diazonium chloride reaction and electrophilic substitution and oxidation of alkyl benzene to give rise carboxylic acid. So total organic chemistry reactions you should have in your hold. And benzene to metabromophenol, you can directly go with benzene, and you can go with HNO2, HNO3 and H2SO4. Nitration takes place. Nitro group is a meta director, so that bromination takes place. So metabromo is formed. You see. Now this nitro group can be converted into amino group SnHCl. You are going to get NH2 and bromo, and this NH2 can be diazotized. So diazotization takes place, N2Cl and bromine, and diazotization takes place by using HNO2, NaNO2, HCl 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, and this is converted into phenolic group simply by warming with water to give rise like this. So this conversion also involves aromatic things, and these conversions are very important. And aniline to bromo, para bromo aniline. This is a super important conversion. You want to go for aniline, you want to add a bromine simply in the presence of CS2 or in the water, doesn't matter. You are going to get NH2 and it is Br, tribromoaniline is formed. You are not getting a monobromo. So that what you need to do, you have to protect the amino group, because amino group is a super activating group over here. That's the reason why I don't want to prefer this method. Rather, I just want to prefer this method. NH2, this NH2 group has to be eradicated its activity. So acetic anhydride is used, so that amino group is going to be acetylated. Okay. Now this is a simply activating, not super activating, but it is a super activating. Now you can go with the bromination. So in the bromination, the major product is going to be para-bromo product. This is a group protection scenario. In this group protection scenario, you are going to get hydrolysis product. You are going to see NH2 para-bromoaniline is formed. How simple the reactions can be solved. We started right from alkene to amines, all the reactions that are there in the NCERT we discussed. So, take these examples as a noteworthy point and you convert any structure to any structure by using this simple and fast method, so that you can grab 2 questions from the NEET examination. You please follow our lessons on daily basis, and please like the session and share with your friends and subscribe to NEET Infinity Learn YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.